back to my channel. Welcome to Showbiz. This is the morning routine of the other one. If you did not know, actually let me check the news.
Daddy, Mommy, nawawala ko si Hailey. Ano yun?
Oh my God.
Hailey!
Tingnan mo doon, dito ako.
Hailey! Hailey!
My TV is a little. So she has no school. This is, oh my gosh, this is summer right now.
Hello, customer service representative po ako from
Girl,
Shopify.
I'm
Maaari ko po malaman
loading.
kung saan niyo na-download ang
Okay, this is summer right now.
Siyempre naman.
So I'm just
Send ko sa'yo
gonna
official link.
go.
Try mo ulit. Sige, huwag mo niyang kumali. Oo, legit yung pay with digit din yung interest rate. At
Oh
pwede ka
my
magbayad
God.
hanggang 9 installments. Safe, legal, at guaranteed. Kung pinapanood mo to, i-click mo na yung link sa baba ng video ngayon din at mag-apply ka na para sa limit mo.
Just gonna keep this on here. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw this away.
Please, Miriam. Hanapin mo si Ellie.
Okay, good.
Saan siya nagpunta?
Noong makinig ka,
10 minutes later.
gawin niyo lahat para mahanap siya ang
That
maliwanag.
was a good shower.
Senior brothers, tulungan niyo kami.
I'm just gonna pick this.
Bilisan mo pa, inigaw mo sila. Anak, paano yan? Ang dami nakasunod sa atin.
Mga kapit!
Okay, good sugar.
At kinisip ni Michael si Hailey. Nababaliw na ba siya?
Kailangan natin kapag nahuli siya.
Okay.
Mami, huwag ka matakot. Tumawag din kami ng
I'm just gonna clip my. Okay, and then using it. So, where you guys all?
Saan mo sila?